articles are not permitted. Please let go of your harness so we
Thanks a lot, man. 5?
The gates are now closing. During the ride,
yeah.
Please remain seated, keeping your hands,
check out my channel sometimes.
legs down and inside
Front seat coasters. Yeah. Do ya? Good job, man. Yep.
Don't look back as
You like this coaster? Never?
Nope.
It's pretty cool. You'll like it. Yeah, inside the building down here.
That should be good with it. The only one I haven't been on is Apollo's Chariot yet.
I love that.
Griffin is amazing. Everything else is amazing.
Yep. Griffin's awesome. Apollo's Chariot's amazing.
Never been on. That's what I'm going on now.
All right, here we go. All right.
That was amazing.
All righty. Big drop. Here we go, Yahtzee! All right.
That was amazing.
Nice ride.
Drop the spear.
I know, especially if you don't know it's coming.
I didn't even know it was coming.
Have you ridden the front in this?
No.
Wait in line for that. It's a lot of fun. Lines are great today, so
Yeah, they are.
ride everything as much as you can.
That was fun. Now I'm probably going to ride Apollo's Chariot.
What's your home park? Six Flags Great Adventure?
Yeah.
Nice. Love that. I was there a couple weeks ago.
Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day.
Look for this video. Nice meeting you, bud.
Nice meeting you too.
That scared the crap out of me at the end.
Yeah, definitely leave comments.
Into the seats directly in front of you and pull the harness down over your legs.
Thank you so much.